Okay, the fuel pump has now been replaced. New fuel pump, and still have the sound. Maybe worse, maybe not, but here she is.